Meet BigTreeTech's, the 3D printer which can reimagine your home life. With the development of information technology, telecommuting has become common. Remote work becomes reality for engineers with a BigTreeTech's 3D printer at home. Engineers can do visual concepts, prototypes, and mechanical testing. Except for generic PLA, BX can print with strong engineering material like PETG, enabling the printing of stronger and more resistant parts. With the unique H2 direct extruder, BX can also work perfectly with flexible materials like TPU and TPE for moving parts. Besides, the ingenious motherboard supports plug-and-print Raspberry Pi firmware expansion. Therefore, you can do 3D printing with full remote control and monitoring, and without a laptop. Besides home working, BigTreeTech's can bring more possibilities to family activities. BX makes it easy for kids to make their ideas come true. You only need to do the thinking and drawing. BX will help you do the rest. It has been redesigned and rethought for younger users. 7-inch touchscreen makes printing become easy enough to start straight away. In addition, it is designed with a proximity sensor to truly achieve intelligently auto-leveling to ensure great bed adhesion and printing quality. This can help new hands get excellent printing results easily. BigTreeTech's can also bring more to your house with your creativity and inspiration. With BX, when the inspiration comes, you can accurately grasp and realize it. Your artistic creativity will never be disappointed with BigTreeTech's superior printing results. You never know what great work you'll finish next. You can make toys for your kids, gifts for your friends, models from comic characters, home decoration for your family, and more? Who knows? Imagination continues, and creativity continues. BigTreeTech's.